Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn 4 types of variables in Ruby. Number 1, a global variable starts with a $sign and an uninitialized global variable will have the value of nil or empty. On line 2, I'm declaring a global variable called company_name, which I'm printing on line 22. Number 2, a class variable starts with 2 @signs and must be initialized before they can be used in methods. On line 6, I'm initializing a class variable called number of customers, which I'm printing in the getNumberOfCustomers method on line 17. Number 3, an instance variable starts with an @sign and an uninitialized instance variable will have the value of nil. Starting on line 9, I'm defining 3 instance variables called customer ID, customer name, and customer mailing address. On line 14, I have a method called getCustomerDetails, which is printing the value of these 3 instance variables. Last but not the least, number 4, a local variable starts with a lowercase letter or an underscore. A local variable's scope is local to the code construct in which they are declared. In this example, I have 3 local variables, a, b, and underscore result. On line 35, I'm printing the sum of a and b. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.